Hi, Liz Vedran here. Here is a video to discuss the content and the breakdown of Module 1. Module 1, the content that you will be learning is an introduction to statistics and exploring data using frequency distributions and histograms. So the very first part of this is learning basically what statistics is and some very important statistical terminology that you will be using throughout the course. So it's very important to go over this terminology and understand the terminology and be able to use the terminology correctly. Then you're going to move on to frequency distributions. You're going to look at how to create a frequency distribution given a data set, and you're also going to look at how to interpret a frequency distribution given information or asked certain questions. And then the very last part is histograms, which is basically a picture of a frequency distribution. And so we're also going to look at a definition which will be learned much later in the course or used much later in the course. Looking at a histogram to determine if it's approximately a normal distribution or not. Okay, so in this module, you're going to be mainly looking at terminology and also distributions, frequency distributions, and histograms. So if you scroll down here, you have a resource book. The resource book includes textbook reading assignments. If you open up your e-text or your physical textbook, you can read through each of the sections. It also includes lecture notes that I've typed up and provided for you, and it also includes lecture videos as well. The videos here are videos from the textbook. And so once you are done with the resource book, you access all your resources, you can actually move on to your homework, which is found on my Stat Lab, not on Moodle. Complete those assignments, and once you complete those, you're ready for Module 1 quiz. Module 1 quiz is going to quiz you on the content learned in this module. So I recommend completing the homework before you complete the quiz. You have 15 minutes to take it. You have 2 attempts, and there are 10 questions, true, false, or multiple choice. And so let me know if you have any questions, and good luck in this module.